Okay, that's it. The back of the mold, the top of the mold, it's done. These molds are a real pain to make, but they pay off with the first guitar. Because now when you put your sides into this mold, you can use a simple spring clamp to clamp the sides in and let them relax and dry in the mold. You don't have to be constantly measuring how tall your sides are because this is how tall they are. You can easily use a hand plane and plane your sides down to where they're very close to the mold, and then take the rims off, drive the bus down to where they're right to the line if you draw a line on there. If you want to make your sides slightly taller, it's okay to leave the sides 1/8 of an inch tall if you want. Or if you want to maybe go between something like an OM and a jumbo, it's very easy to go in, take a rib off, add another layer of ribs in there, and make your guitar a 1/2 inch deep or 3/4 of an inch deeper than it originally was. I do that all the time when I'm going from like an OM to a jumbo. I don't make a new mold for that. The body size is the same. I just add an extra thickening layer in there and bring it up to the size that I want. So all of my molds are done this way. This works great. They're a real pain to make, but then this will last for a lifetime to make guitars. So anyway, I hope that this series of videos has been helpful. If you've got any questions, you can contact me through SimsCal, and I'll do my best to answer any questions. Anyway, thanks for watching. By the way, there's one really important point that I forgot to make earlier. When I make my guitars, the reason I designed these molds was so that I never have to take the body of the guitar in and out of the mold, ever. I put the sides in, I glue the top and back on. You can take the ribs off to put your kerf on, to clamp to the edge of the sides to put on your kerf, and you can completely build the body in the mold. I don't like taking the guitar in and out of the mold because it's very difficult to get it back in there exactly perfectly, and you can introduce a slight twist which will destroy the sound of your guitar. So I don't like to ever take the body out of the mold. I completely build the body in the mold. I let the sides relax in the mold. The top goes on, the back goes on, everything goes on in the mold. And so everything is glued together before I take the mold apart and pull the body out. So that's the original reason why I made these molds, is so that you can glue on your kerfing and everything right there in the mold, and you don't ever take the body out. Anyway, that's it.